RC is pleased to announce two members of its family. Our new anchor latch is mounted in our new prototype E-Series flush door mount box. The anchor latch is easy to open, turns left or right, closes tightly and compresses into the box to make a good seal. Exterior one-piece composite. Notice there are no exterior fasteners in this application at all. Easy to mount, easy to place in the box. Notice the key cylinder now has a dust cover over it to hold the elements. We also have a double-bitted key, so when this is actually locked and in place, you cannot open it, which inhibits from prying and anti-theft of the box. So when this is locked, it will not open at all. So one key feature of the anchor latch is that it can be operated to the left or to the right. So if you're right-handed or left-handed, it's easy to operate. You'll notice this roller, composite roller, that will avoid scratches to the interior finish of the box. Another key feature of the anchor latch is this striker, compression striker. You can actually, with a simple Allen wrench, no special tools, but a simple Allen wrench, this can be adjusted for the tightness of the door seal. So as you close the anchor latch, it compresses down and makes a very tight seal on this box. The anchor latch is a sleek one-piece composite exterior. You'll notice again there are no fasteners, nice stainless steel handle, and if I can turn this so you can see it, as you compress the handle in, you can see that that compression goes in about 1/4 of an inch to ensure that there's a tight seal on that door. Another key feature of this anchor latch is that it fits into the same footprint as the T-handle currently in place. So it's easy to replace in the field, has a built-in gasket, and the lock cylinder and the latch can be, the entire latch can be easily replaced in the field without extra tools of any kind. An optional feature of the anchor latch is a locking rod, and this is 25% more durable than we're currently offering. On this option, this roller bars at the end are now standard on this feature. So all in all, the anchor latch is wonderful. It is sleek, it is easy to operate, has a nice compression seal, and anchor latch by RC. Rock solid.